Today, we'll discuss 5 Stoic principles essential for embracing manhood. In a world that often values superficial traits like wealth and status, Stoicism emphasizes resilience, character, and inner strength. Manhood is about how you respond to challenges and cultivate your inner self. Let's explore how these Stoic teachings can empower you to lead a more meaningful life. Point 1. Control what you can. First, control what you can. Life is filled with uncertainties, and we often encounter situations that are beyond our influence. The Stoics emphasize that while we cannot dictate external events, we have complete authority over our responses. When faced with setbacks, like losing a job or receiving criticism, ask yourself, what can I control in this situation? This question shifts your focus from frustration to actionable steps. For example, if you're criticized for a project at work, instead of feeling defensive, consider how to improve based on that feedback. By focusing on what you can control your reactions and decisions, you empower yourself to navigate life's challenges with confidence and clarity. Point 2. Embrace challenges. Stoicism teaches that obstacles are essential for personal growth, and each difficulty you face is an opportunity to strengthen your character and resolve. When life presents hardships, confront them directly rather than avoiding them, transforming setbacks from burdens into valuable learning experiences. For instance, when dealing with a tough project, approach it as a chance to develop new skills. Break the project down into manageable tasks and tackle them one by one. By embracing challenges, you enhance your capabilities and build resilience, teaching yourself to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. Hallmarks of true manhood. Point 3. Practice gratitude. The third principle is to practice gratitude. In a culture that often emphasizes what we lack, recognizing and appreciating what we have is crucial. Make it a daily habit to reflect on your blessings, supportive relationships, good health, or even simple joys. This practice can be as straightforward as jotting down 3 things you're thankful for each day. By consistently acknowledging these positives, you cultivate a sense of contentment and resilience, allowing you to face challenges with a more optimistic outlook. Embracing gratitude shifts your focus from what's wrong in your life to what's going well, enriching your overall perspective and reinforcing your mental well-being. Point 4. Develop inner strength. The fourth point is to develop inner strength. True strength encompasses emotional and mental resilience, not just physical prowess. In today's fast-paced world, cultivating your inner fortitude is essential. Set meaningful goals for yourself and commit to them, even when the journey becomes difficult. This requires discipline and a steadfast commitment to your values. As you work toward your goals, you'll inevitably encounter obstacles. Instead of letting these deter you, view them as opportunities to strengthen your resolve. Each time you push through adversity, you build confidence in your ability to navigate life's complexities and foster independence, which are key attributes of authentic manhood. Point 5. Accept mortality. Acknowledging that life is finite can be a liberating realization that compels you to prioritize what truly matters. When you accept that your time is limited, you become more intentional about how you live. Focus on investing in meaningful relationships, pursuing your passions, and making choices that align with your core values. This perspective encourages you to live fully in the present, making every moment count. Embracing the reality of mortality fosters a deeper appreciation for life and motivates you to strive for a legacy that reflects your true self, reminding you that every day is an opportunity to live authentically. In summary, the 5 Stoic ways to embrace manhood are: control what you can, embrace challenges, practice gratitude, develop inner strength, and accept mortality. By integrating these principles into your life, you cultivate resilience and purpose. Each of these Stoic teachings serves as a guide, helping you navigate the complexities of life with a clear mind and a strong heart. Remember, the journey of manhood is not a destination, but a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. As you reflect on these principles, I encourage you to take action. Implement these teachings into your daily life and watch as they transform the way you approach challenges and opportunities alike. Remember, every time you engage with our content, you're not just helping yourself, you're also contributing to a collective journey of resilience and strength. Thank you for being here and for your commitment to living a life filled with purpose and authenticity.